Hello everyone, and welcome to another video for Brussels Developer User Group. Today we are going to talk about Azure Notebooks and how to start with this resource. But before going into detail, I want to invite you to go to our social page and our channels. If you are seeing this video, you're watching this video as we speak, probably you are already in YouTube. So we have a channel like Brussels Developers User Group. We have about 7,000 views already and 130 subscribers. And in the last 9 videos, I was talking about descriptive statistics and the theory behind it. Starting from today, the following series of videos, we are going to talk or we are going to use the theory we learned with Python using Azure Notebooks. So please subscribe. We also have a meetup group, Brussels Developer User Group. We have already had two physical meetings in Brussels and one virtual using Microsoft Teams. So feel free to subscribe to the meetup as well. Whenever we have new events, we have speakers from Brussels and from other parts of the world. The sessions are always in English and is about any development related topic, not only about machine learning. And in Facebook, we have the Brussels Developer User Group as well. Feel free to like it. Is we have already about 200, 300 people on the group. You can see it here. And finally, the topic of this short video is about Azure Notebooks. So Azure Notebooks is a tool you can use in the web browser. It will allow you to prototype your Python scripts with small data. So it's not for production base, it's more for prototyping. And let's try it. So I'm going to sign in. Should take a couple of seconds more. And that's basically it. So you don't need to create an Azure resource or Azure machine learning workspace. We'll see that in the future in upcoming videos, but for now we have a notebooks environment so that we can play with. Okay, so we have here one project, and as you can see, the status of the machine is stop. But we can also create our own projects. So let's do that. So let's go to my projects, new project, and I'm gonna call this summarizing data and deducing probabilities. It's gonna be private. If I want to, I can initialize the project with a README file. And now I am in the project. The second thing I want to do is I want to create a folder called code, and inside the code folder I want to create another folder called datasets. Inside datasets I want to upload the datasets that we are going to use. So extract from computer, choose files, and I think I have it here. I'm going to upload them all. I choose the contents of these files, and that's basically it. So remember, in machine learning, it's not required that we have the files or the datasets in CSV. It's only for learning purposes and it's easier to consume this data. But we can also, with the Azure ML SDK, we can connect to blob storage, to table storage, to Azure SQL, to Cosmos DB, and to any other data stores. We can connect via REST API to uh, data sets which are hosted in the public cloud like Azure, Amazon, or Google, and we can combine them all into our own projects. And this is basically the first video about summarizing data and deducing probabilities. We only saw how to work with Azure notebooks. In the upcoming videos, we are going to start coding with Python, and we are going to learn with Python how to do what we learned in the descriptive statistics videos from the past. I hope you find this video informative. Welcome to Brussels Developer User Groups. See you in the next video.